Hello, my beautiful beans!
Welcome to Travel Beans. Today we are in Siargao Island.
And we are going to go and explore the centre of the island, and we are going to somewhere that looks unbelievable called Magpupungko.
I'm very, very excited about this. We have been sort of drooling over photos of this for the last few months, so I'm really excited to finally get to go.
So we're going to go and rent a bike and go on a little venture to find here. But before then, today is the day, the very, very scary, scary day for me that I've been putting off for a long time. It's going to be our first ever drone flight.
Yeah, and the reason we got the drone now is because we were coming back to the Philippines and we wanted to do the Philippines justice by getting some amazing drone footage while we've been here.
Also why we bought the GoPro to do it justice under the water as well as above.
Guys, we've invested so much into this country, we can't wait. First, we've got to test flight the drone here at our accommodation. Second, we've got to go hire some bikes. And third, we've got to go and explore.
So far, everything has been an absolute nightmare, as usual with us, and I am struggling to get this thing to update or connect. So it's already 1:30 and we're an hour away to where we want to go. The cloud has started to come over, so there's now a good chance it's going to rain on us. I'm starting to feel very guilty because people have been waiting for us because we've been trying to set up this drone because I didn't want to go without it, but now we might not even get to go. So I think maybe it's not going to be a drone day, unfortunately, guys, but hopefully tomorrow there'll be a drone, or maybe when we get back tonight, but probably unlikely. Emma has gone to go and get a motorbike now, so hopefully we'll be leaving very soon. I did it, guys, I did it! We are now going, because she has got us a bike, we are now going to the, we've forgotten the name already, it took us ages to learn it for you the last time.
Magpupungko.
The beach. We're going to the beach that we're looking forward to.
It's a lagoon, isn't it?
It's a beach.
Oh, it's a beach.
As you can see, all our equipment here, this is a bit of a mess, but that's for another time. To the beach!
After we've got the bikes. How scared are you right now, Al?
So scared.
Seasons change and we do too.
How did your first drone flight go?
My heart is going like this.
Mine too, I wasn't even flying it.
It was good, like, I almost hit, well, I thought I almost hit it into a mountain, then almost into a tree. I think it's got obstacle avoidance, so it's not going to happen, but oh my god, that is, I can't crash it on the first go. It just, oh my god, but
it'd be too heartbreaking.
So good.
All of our money just gone.
Oh wow, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Oh, unbelievable.
Answer for us anymore.
We have just arrived at Magpupungko beach and it is amazing. It is better than I thought it was going to be. Unfortunately, we've been told it's high tide, so it's too dangerous for swimming now, so we'll have to come back for swimming another day, but it's worth coming here just for the views on the ride down, and once you get here, look at that.
I am so in love with the Philippines that everything I see I think is better than the last time, and it keeps getting topped every single time. Even though we can't swim and the thing that we came here to see isn't here because the tide is in, none of us care because the drive was fantastic and even just being here is so nice. The water seems to change in different areas. Sometimes it's really light blue. Right now it's kind of a greeny emerald blue. It's an absolute honor and a pleasure to be able to be here and to be able to take some video and capture this and hopefully inspire some other people to do the same and to come here, because you will not regret it. There is not many places on my travels that I would say that are worth coming to more than here in Siargao. It is so untouched. On our drive we barely saw anyone. I just don't understand. Give this 20 years, maybe 10 or 5, it will not be the same place.
Oh, I believe that we can work together. Oh, I believe in one love. Oh, yes, indeed. Harmony forever. It's up to us.
So we are going to go for a drive back to our hotel, but we're going to take the long route and hope that we can get some more beautiful scenery on the drive back. Oh my god, there's something huge flying around you! Ah! That was close.
What we say, don't hesitate, you know, my darling. We're on the brink now. Oh, everybody wants to know, where's the love? Just keep on searching now. It's something that you gotta show from deep inside your soul. Just imagine, dear, just imagine. Ooh, oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah.
We have stopped to watch the sunset because it's going to be going down on our journey back, and it has been spectacular. It's over the rice paddies here. Wow.
What's amazing is, so in the last 30 minutes we have seen the beach, mangroves, and now it's almost like a safari watering hole. There's rice paddies, there's mountains.
There's buffalo, there's birds everywhere. It is insanely beautiful here.
The terrain is just out of this world. For a small island, this place has everything. I think this is the most impressed I've been with somewhere that I hadn't really heard about for a long, long time.
A lot of people say it's very touristy in General Luna, which is the area we're staying near. And to be honest, it is in that it's busier, but it's still really untouched.
And there's hardly anyone really there.
It's really quiet. And then, you know, you only have to drive half an hour and you're here. There's nothing around us.
So tomorrow we're going on a tour of the islands, which means we get to test out our new GoPro to see what it's like under the water as well as above. Fingers crossed on the weather.
Yep.
And this is our time to say to you guys,
goodbye.
Goodbye. I can't take us seriously with like this massive head.
No, I've got it's a bit too big for me actually.
So thank you so much for watching, guys.
If you like the video, you know what to do.
But they don't always know what to do, so we want you to press like.
We
want to smash the like button. Please.
Smash it, please. I don't want to have to see that again. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, do all those things you need to do.
And it's time to say, beans out.